You mentioned the chazonis. Did you have a good chazan at your shul?
To me, he was, yeah, his name was Cohen. Uh, although I had no one to compare him with, he was the only one I heard. But he did have a beautiful voice, and I realized the value of a good chazan to this day. Uh, Fortunately, I got the opportunity to hear some wonderful chazans, and today we have so many female chazans because it's at one time I grew up not Orthodox but conservative, leaning towards Orthodox. When we finally moved out of 18th and Reed to Northeast Philadelphia, uh, and when my father retired, he became the gabbai at a synagogue. And all his life, he dreamed of being available to go to shul every day in the week, which he couldn't do when he had to make a living for his family. So he was the one that ran the whole synagogue. It was like his second home. And we got to the point where women were participating more and more in shul. And they said, Mr. Block, we would like to get the women to come up. And, oh, that's a no-no. Absolutely not. Can't do that. Uh, One time my father went to Atlantic City for vacation. While he was gone, they called a meeting and they voted to let females come up on the bema. That destroyed my father. He swore he would never go get up on the bema with a woman. But finally he accepted it. He did accept it. And women were invited to participate as part of a minyan, and they all loved Mr. Block. My father was the most loved man I've ever known. He was just loved. The congregants were crazy about him.